So I wanted to share with you a little bit about contour compensation. Now, if we take a look at this piece in our design, it is 2 millimeters thick. All right. Now we print all kinds of things that are 2 millimeters thick and never have an issue. But we would have an issue if we added contour compensation to this piece. So the issue at hand is this lamppost has to fit perfectly inside that hole. But we can't really do that on the design side. We can't design it so it perfectly fits because every printer is just slightly different in how it prints. Even the filament we're using can affect the fitment of this lamppost. Okay, now on my computer, I don't have any issues. And many people print without issue just on the default setup. But that doesn't necessarily mean that's going to work on every computer nationwide. Okay, that's just not how it works. So typically, what we would do is we would run a tolerance test on our computer. And then when we have parts that need to fit together snugly, like this part really should, then we would have to run the tolerance test and then it would tell us what tolerance setting we need to make in order for that part to fit perfectly. So when we design a file, the diameter of this post is 32 millimeters. The hole over here is 32 millimeters. So in theory, this post should fit perfectly inside that hole. But again, depending on the printer, calibration, depending on the filament being used, the shrinkage and expansion rate of that filament, a lot of things can affect the actual fitment. Okay. Now, the way this is supposed to work, if you don't know, you're supposed to take this post, put it in here, put a little bit of glue on the bottom of your post, and when you put it in here, you would glue it to this frame. Okay. So this post would eventually become permanent. All right. That's how it's supposed to work. Now, what if your post doesn't fit? Well, again, ideally, you would have done a tolerance test ahead of time, and then you would know what compensation we need to modify on the post. This piece, we do not want to modify the compensation on, and I'll explain why. So I've set up a little test example here to show you. So here we have three pieces that are 2 millimeters wide. Okay. Now this first piece has a compensation. Let's go down here and take a look under the quality tab. This first piece has a compensation of +2, right? +2. And then the next piece has a compensation of -0.5. zero point 0.5. And then the final piece has a compensation of -0.75, 0.75, right? So if we slice this right now, let's go ahead and go to preview here. Notice what happened. The piece that we had two, look at it is way wider than these, right? Because it added two. So it added two to this side and it added two to this side and it started off as two. So now we have six. So you can see how that would dramatically affect our fitment, right? Well, if you take a look at this piece, now we've got issues because we started with a 2 millimeter piece. So if we added a negative value, notice what happened. We deducted a half a mil on this side, a half a mil on this side. So now our 2 millimeter thickness of our plate now becomes 1 millimeter. And now that can cause challenges because yes, 1 millimeter is too thin for that particular frame piece. Now, if we compensate it even more, this one's 0.75, and now you can really see we take away 0.75 on this side, 0.75 on this side. It was only 2 millimeters to begin with. So now we just have this tiny, thin little line right here. All right. And so obviously that would really be too thin, right? So we have to be careful when we're adjusting the contour compensation that we're adjusting the right piece. So in this case, we don't want to adjust the frame whatsoever. 2 millimeters is perfectly fine. I printed all kinds of things with 2 millimeter thickness. That part's fine. If we need to make an adjustment for this post to fit in that hole, then we would make the adjustment here because we have lots of room to make the adjustment here. Here we only have 2 millimeters and we don't want to go any thinner than that. But over here, we've got 32 millimeters of diameter. So we've got plenty of adjustment that we can do to the post. So anyhow, hopefully that better explains if you're having issues with this piece, we can't modify the compensation to that piece. If you have any questions or need one-on-one training or some custom files made for you, this is my contact information, so feel free to reach out via email. You can text me. You could even give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions or give you more details on the one-on-one training we offer, and as well as if you need custom files made until you are up to speed on how to make them yourself, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you with that as well.